Ambassador Dr. Anina.
Asensemo yaye umuwaziri bw'obonchoreria Moses Kuria nigo atebire na serikali ya Ruto nechikoreta amaunchoreria manene mense ya Kenya na nene otayona nachie kubwaterana n'ababwatani Kuria'S chinsemo ao nabo igo abagavana Kuria'S counties mense ya Kenya erio kwenekia bunango kinyabare sector y'obonchoreria.
We are talking with partners, several partners, development partners, and it is my commitment to the President and his deputy. Aggregation hub for manufacturing and export in every county, in all the 47 counties. And we're going to start any time now with the county of Embu, where we are working with the governors. This era also of we have a national government and private sector and the county government. You know, the Mwananchi does not care for that. So we want to work as a team. I am mobilizing the Council of Governors to give us the land. We are going to mobilize resources to put up the industrial and aggregation hubs and link them also to you guys who have got experience and create these hubs not just in Kenya but in other countries. I want to promise you by end of first quarter next year, for those of you who export to the DRC, you are going to send your products to the first Kenya warehouse in DRC.